Hello, good evening, everyone. Happy Wednesday night. Mayang gabi from Mactan Newtown and Newtown Boulevard. It is Wednesday evening. Let's take a walk and take a look at what's going on Newtown Boulevard tonight. This is Newtown Boulevard on a wonderful Wednesday night. That is the Positano. Look at the lights on the crane of the Positano. They are working on the 11th floor deck. They just poured the final concrete this morning. And off to the left, you see the 12th floor decking being framed on top of the 11th floor condo units. And I was just watching a previous video of mine a little earlier that I took in February, and the Positano was being excavated in February, and now they have 11 floors, at least 10 floors finished, and the decking of the 11th floor finished. So since February, they essentially built 10 floors of the Positano. Pretty impressive. I was a little flabbergasted, surprised of my video in February that the Positano was essentially a vacant lot. They were excavating the foundation for the Positano. So I found it very surprising how fast they're building the Positano, and that just goes to show that it is a high priority property. And there is the lobby of One Pacific Residences. That is the La Victoria. That is due to open later this year or early next year. They have a lot of exterior painting to do on the La Victoria, that is for sure. I think they're laying tile work on the inside of the La Victoria as well. And I think they have a few units available to Filipino buyers. They do have a 60-40 split, 40% for foreigners. They have been sold out. And you can see there are people up there working. Looks like they're cleaning that condo up. Right there. And somebody did ask about parking. All of these condo units have parking on the ground floor. Some of them have parking, like the one Manchester Place is on floor 2 and 3. But they all provide parking that you can purchase. And one of the subscribers asked about parking. They all have parking. It's not underground per se, but it's either ground level or on floors 2 and 3 type of thing. And there are also at least 3, if not 4, paid parking lots in and around Mactan Newtown. And parking in those lots, they're not covered parking, but parking in those lots are a little bit less expensive for cars and motorbikes. Usually the parking, if you lease parking in these condos, it's usually 5,000 pesos a month. And in the parking lots around here, outdoor, it's around 3,000 pesos a month. That is the QQ English School, the entire building. Somebody asked about this building, if it was a call center or not. And the answer is, it is not. It is an English school, the entire building. And somebody asked about One Pacific Residence, if there was a call center in One Pacific Residence. The answer is no. There is no call center in One Pacific Residence. Here is the QQ English campus top, located right across the street from La Victoria. It's a beautiful, warm evening here in Cebu, Mactan Island. Probably 80 degrees Fahrenheit, humid, very little to no breeze. That is One Manchester Place, and they do have parking, I believe, on the second and third floor of that building. And I do have news about McDonald's. I just talked to a reliable source over at McDonald's. McDonald's has been closed for a little bit over a month, and they are going to open soon. McDonald's is going to open on September 29th. So about a week from now, McDonald's is going to open again. I just peeked into McDonald's and they did a full renovation. It's going to look really nice in there. Maybe if I get time, I'll walk over there and give you a short video clip of the inside of the McDonald's. Hang on, friends. Here I'm walking down Newtown Boulevard. I thought I'd give you a little bit more of a view of what's going on. As I walk toward McDonald's, I just went past McDonald's and they had the lights on. Hopefully when I get there, they'll have the lights on again so I can take a short video clip for you. A word of caution, be aware when you're walking on the sidewalks here at Newtown Boulevard. One of my friends who had a friend visit here stumbled on a sidewalk and twisted her ankle. So although these sidewalks look flat and level, some of these steps can be a little bit different sizes. Some steps have a high rise, some steps are lower, some curbs are higher, some curbs are lower. So just kind of be careful where you're walking here, because the elevations are a little bit different everywhere you go up and down Newtown Boulevard. Hi, how are you? So I was just walking on Newtown Boulevard and two fine young Filipinas invited me to go to this bikini contest and is this a pass to it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll turn the camera around and you can describe what it is. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Kate. We have sent this coupon in Honeypot Sports Bar.
Okay, Honeypot Sports Bar.
Yeah, we have bikini show there, so you must come and sit.
Okay, when is the show?
This coming Saturday.
Saturday at what time?
It starts 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Saturday. And where is the Honeypot from Newtown Boulevard? Is it far away?
It's not that far, it's very near.
Okay, very near.
It's just nearby in the street.
All right, I will let all my subscribers know to go to the bikini contest at the Honeypot. So this ticket, it costs 300 pesos admission, and you get...
You can get 2 free drinks, beers.
2 free beers when you purchase the entrance fee of 300 pesos.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What's your name again?
I'm Kate.
Kate. All right, and you're going to be in the contest.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck, Kate. And thank you. Take care. Say goodbye, everybody. So there you have it. They have a bikini contest, 300 pesos at the Honeypot, located very near Mactan Newtown. With the 300 pesos, you do get 2 free beers. And I will put a pop-up box as to where the Honeypot is. I'll give you a Google map just to give you an idea of where it is and how long it will take you to get there. That is the Bar Canto over there. I am walking my way over to McDonald's, by the way. And hopefully I'll get you a video clip of the inside of the remodel of the McDonald's. That is the Robinson grocery store right there. That is the Result CX, Dunkin' Donut. And see, it is wheelchair accessible right there. You do have people on wheelchairs here. They seem to be getting around. That was one of the comments on one of my YouTube videos. Is it wheelchair accessible? Yes, it is. Sometimes those wheelchair ramps are a little offset. Like there you have a wheelchair ramp right there. And soon we will be at the McDonald's. So let's take a walk. We're almost there. That is the fountains at the entrance of Mactan Newtown. And here we're getting really close to the McDonald's. And hopefully the lights are still on. I can give you a sneak peek of the inside of the McDonald's. And the lights are on, but nobody is home. So there is your first sneak peek of the newly remodeled McDonald's. Much wider, more seating, sorely needed. It's going to be awesome. So there you have it. That is your video for tonight from Mactan Newtown Boulevard. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Feel free to share the video with those you feel are interested in this content. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.